Hi everyone, it's Scott with Sasquatch Collectors Emporium. I'm coming to you today on Veterans Day and just want to say thank you to all those who have served or are currently serving our country. We thank you very much for your service and greatly appreciate you for doing that. Today I'm going to do another box break, try to redeem myself from the super break box break I did this past weekend. uh, Left a nasty taste in my mouth. So today we're going to try to open a 2021 Absolute Football Mega Box. You get 4 packs in here, 10 cards per pack, and we should find 1 autograph and 1 mem card per box on average. So let's go ahead and take a look. I have not done any of these yet, haven't seen them, so not quite sure the setup, but we'll see what we get when we open them up here. Alright, there's our 4 packs. Okay, let's see what we got. Alright, we got a Ryan Fitzpatrick, Keenan Allen, Justin Tucker, Corey Davis. Here's a J.T. Watt red parallel, just so you can see what the card looks like. A Shi Smith rookie red parallel. Rookies of Joseph Osai, Tutu Atwell, Cornell Powell, and Elijah Vera Tucker. Okay, that's the first pack. And I'm probably already doing better than I did on that Super Break box, so that tells you how bad that one was. You got a Nick Chubb, Aaron Donald, James Robinson. Okay, this is going to be our auto. Looks like it's Chuba Hubbard. Looks like a base auto, sticker auto. Cards are shiny with the foil, but nice to see someone who doesn't sign with just initials. Go ahead and get that sleeved up. Okay, then we have a Jerry Jeudy red parallel, and we got a Kyle Trask introductions insert. It's got him with the Bucks uniform and the Florida Gators uniform. Pretty cool. Nice insert there. Okay, we got a Javonte Williams rookie, a Seth Williams rookie, and a Michael Carter rookie. All right, halfway done. Let's see what we got here. The third pack. Terry McLaurin, Jason Kelsey, AJ Green, Justin Herbert base. Got a Carson Wentz red parallel. And a Patrick Surtain red parallel. Then we got base rookies of Frank Darby, Caleb Farley. There's a Zach Wilson. Nice one there. And as he's affectionately known in Cleveland, J.O.K. My brother-in-law and nephew say this guy's going to be really good. So you heard it here first. All right, let me sleeve up the Wilson. Hopefully he'll be coming back soon. And last pack, we should have our mem card. Okay, let's see if I can find it. Yep, there it is. Alright, so I got a Julio Jones red parallel. Ooh, it's interesting. It's not a Kaboom, but it's Elijah Moore by Storm. That's a pretty cool looking insert. There. Got base rookies of Daz Newsome, Simi Fehoko, Greg Newsome, and Christian Barmore. Base of Lamar Jackson, Aaron Donald, Devin White. And our relic is going to be Rookie Materials, Kyle Trask. So, who knows on Kyle? When Tom Brady decides to retire in 25 more years, maybe he'll have had a Hall of Fame career with another team. But for now, I'm saying he's a hold. And maybe if TB12 does step away in the near future, he's the next guy in Tampa. But that's all we got. So again, we got the Trask Rookie Materials relic, the Elijah Moore by Storm insert, the Zach Wilson base rookie, and then the auto was Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers base auto. So that's what we got, guys. Still think that was way better, more value out of that than the $3 card I pulled out of the Super Break box over the weekend. So this is Scott saying happy collecting and have a great day. Thanks.